Tiffany, where are we going?
Bicycle.
Bicycles! Hey guys, we're gonna go ride bicycles.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our daily vlog. We are currently driving, well, we're currently going to Dollar General. I need some Velcro. But then we're going to the park. We're going to the Greenway, actually. Me, Melissa, and Tiffany are going on a bike ride. See how that turns out. So I'll see y'all guys there.
I thought you did.
My booty doesn't hurt today. Tiffany!
I can just imagine you fucking falling.
Yay?
Yeah. Hello, guys. How you guys doing today? We out here, you know, cruising on the bike.
Struggling.
Huh? No, never.
Are you gonna get me, mommy?
So, we're out here, you know, riding bikes today. It's a struggle. Trying to figure out how to record. I didn't get my new tripod yet. I get that. It said Sunday, but now it switched it to Monday, so who knows? We're out here riding. I think Melissa's in the back. I don't know what y'all can hear. I think there might be like some wind noise or something. This is not easy.
Papi, red light.
Red light.
Red light.
Oh. Take a break.
Okay, guys.
Hello, guys. We have gotten to a little destination here. We're gonna take a little break. I'm thirsty.
Right here?
Hopefully, y'all can hear us. I have a little microphone fur thing on the top to block some of the wind. I knew we were coming out here.
Okay.
How you feeling, babe?
It's not hard now that I got my seat.
Her seat. Tiffany has her helmet that she got.
My $15 seat that YOSI didn't want to buy.
Here's our little setup we got going on. Here's Melissa's seat she bought for 15 bucks. Here's my bike. Or Tiffany's little adapter right there in the front.
I'm right here, back to my
There's
bike.
Tiffany right there. Tiffany, where's your hat? Where's your helmet?
I'm right here.
Let me see.
I'm right here.
And that's Tiffany's helmet. She got discounted. ¿Va, Tiffany?
Let me see.
¿Cuánto le salió?
Unos 3 patos de casi.
Valía 20. ¿Y cuánto le cobró? Con el discount sticker que le puso.
Ya tengo que
$7. Fue por accidente. We thought. Here's the story. Que it was $20, pero Melissa le puso un sticker. Bueno, yo se lo
No.
puse. I thought,
Okay, el sticker estaba ahí. Y era el mismo precio, o pensamos que estaba solamente en donde se cuelga y no en el helmet. So se lo pusimos al helmet porque era el mismo precio y decía helmet.
it did not say helmet.
It said something,
Yeah, it did not say helmet.
but it said something related to
Anyways, cuando íbamos al cash register, they scanned it.
it. It was the same price though.
No. It scanned at 20 bucks. It scanned at 20 bucks.
I know, but the sticker itself said the
14
original
bucks.
price.
It said $14.99.
Like, why are you exposing me?
It said $14.99, and when the lady scanned it was $19. I told Melissa, I was like, dang, that thing scanned $19.
So I told the lady, I said, never mind.
She told the lady, she's like, I think the helmet's $7. The lady's like, well, scan that 20. And she looked at it, she's like, I don't even think the sticker's for that. But, you know, it's our mistake. I'll take it off.
Oh yeah.
And we got a helmet for $7. $7 for a helmet. Yeah, like we told y'all, we were gonna come ride bikes. We came out, cruised a little bit.
We're gonna go to my mom's house after this, babe.
And then later this evening, since it's Friday, figure out what we do. We're gonna go out and about. You know, go do some hood rat stuff with our friends.
Can't go anywhere.
Everything's closed. We might make a video, post it sometime this week, explaining our whole relationship, explaining everything, our lives, where we are right now, and where we see ourselves in the future. Just a little different view, point of view, little, what's it, more serious video. We have another video coming towards y'all. Was it tomorrow? Should we release it tomorrow?
Yeah.
We'll do it tomorrow, but
It's a surprise.
it's a surprise. But that one's banging. If y'all want, we can brand it with Fam Next Door. Y'all could be the first one with our merch. Eventually, you know, when we get big, you know, we won't be selling gorritos in the summertime. But yeah, you know, buy these water bottles. We got this one at TJ Maxx.
I got it.
Oh, Melissa bought it for me
I
at
got it
TJ
at-
Maxx.
Was it TJ Maxx or Home Goods?
I don't know. TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx. Good water bottle. Has a straw. Love it. I drink one of these a day. Right now I've been slacking. But yes, my coworkers, I always bum 40 cents off of them because I could go refill it. Y'all need a personal trainer, let me know. I am in school for exercise science and nutrition. I am fat, but I know a lot about bodybuilding and powerlifting and how to build strength, get swole, or get lean mass, drop down weight.
I know what we're doing tonight.
What?
Watching La Casa de Papel.
Oh yeah, The House of Papers came out season 4? Season 3.
4.
Season 4 if you
I've
haven't.
been waiting over a year for this.
If you haven't watched it, I recommend it 100%. It's a Spanish series. Está requete buena. Okay. I thought I was recording. We literally sat here for like 40 minutes.
I'm talking.
Talked non-stop. I was talking to the camera and I could have sworn this thing was on. And then when I went to stop it, I was like, all right, bye. I went to do the outro. And when I pressed the button,
It
it beeped. I was like, hold up, wait a minute. It's a chopper. It was never recording. But I shouted out my moms. Shout out Madre. I love you, Ma. Tiffany just chilling. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers.
I got my seat yesterday, so our bike ride was nice today. It
Yeah.
didn't hurt.
Basically, we got a helmet for $7. And later today, we're watching the Casa de Papel. And about to head out. Been here for a while. Started riding earlier
An hour now because you didn't record.
because I didn't record 40 minutes. We're gonna go to Melissa's mom's house for a bit, chill there, let Tiffany play. Shout out to our
New subscribers.
new subscribers, and also shout out to our OG subscribers. I appreciate y'all.
To comment down below if they want a post notification shout out. So if you want a post notification shout out, comment down below.
We've been married for almost 2 years. April 20th will turn 2 years. And let me tell y'all, marriage is not easy. Dealing with Melissa is not easy. Talk about trying to strangle her sometimes. Deuces. Thank you for watching. And then para la próxima. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Share it. Deuces. Thank you for watching.